People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Serpi. Now, today I'm going to do a reaction to I guess you could call it an interview somewhat. Basically, Tommy Lee addressed what happened to his little daughter down there in Flankers. And he was talking to, I guess, a social media personality by the name of Die, something like that. For the purposes of this video, that young lady will be referred to as Simple Simone. Right? Now, a lot of people might be wondering, what Simple Simone look like? Well, here we have a Simple Simone, right? And she did the interview, if you could call it that, of Tommy Lee. And I'm going to play the interview, and I'm going to cut various parts of the interview, as in stop it and then address that particular part, because I don't want people to get lost in just one long explanation. I'm going to show you how Simple Simone tried to make Tommy Lee look like, this guy who's just getting caught up in all this foolishness because of his name. And she even tried to carve out a little lane for Tommy Lee walk down and play the role of, I'm just being persecuted and, I'm a victim in all of this, and just through me an artist, people that call my name. She tried to carve out the lane for Tommy Lee. But Tommy Lee, being the demented individual that he is, being the mother that he is, simply couldn't help himself and end up stun this young lady. He said something in the interview that made her have to take back and realize who she really talked to. And I loved it. I loved every minute of it. Because people like this love to tell us, people that fight artists and fight this and fight that, and then bring down God off of the cross. And all when the artists show them true colors, they refuse to accept them for what they are. But Tommy Lee, as I said, like a typical Moby Maded, could not control himself, and he showed his true colors. People, you want to see this video? I'm going to play the first clip now. Check it out.
A misunderstanding, man. Like, people just catch up. She go look for her mother for your holiday, really.
And she like, at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Yeah, her mother just go bring her home and thing, and she just turn back. One turn, she turn back. It just two man catch up. I don't know, man, I see red. Them didn't even realize the pitney did and thing, and so me understand them thing. Like, it's street go already. Enough time accident at man, wire shot, gunshot, no respect nobody. But it's a gun she get and thing. Boy, good. Me never even follow that. God is good. She alive,
As long as she alive, right?
And thing, like, them start put me on face or everything,
Yeah, because of course I'm gonna put you on the face of everything. You're an entertainer, and you are Tommy Lee, so of course I'm gonna put you on the face of everything.
So at this point, Simple Simone was trying to set up Tommy Lee to be the pseudo victim. People just are throwing me at this because and Tommy Lee, me nothing to do with this, and very, you could see she was trying to do the setup. People, before me even go any further, do you realize how nonchalant Tommy Lee is not about all of this? Tommy Lee is talking about his daughter picking up around as if he might talk about a book she broke off her toe, or one stone drop on her pinky. He's so nonchalant about it, and he will get even more nonchalant further on down in the video. Even when he tries to do the whole, my heart is bleeding, it just doesn't come across. As Jay-Z said, we don't believe you. And I know people that get upset, but I can only watch and react on what I'm seeing. Now you can say, well, I'm sure down in my heart, him hurt. I'm sure he does. But I'm trying to show you that Tommy Lee, at this stage in his life, everything he's seen and everything he's done, he doesn't even know how to show grief anymore, right? And the next part of the clip I'm going to show you after this, you're going to see it gets even worse, and you're going to hear what him said, right? But I just want him to realize how Simple Simone is trying to get Tommy Lee to walk down the road of because that's what every artist do. Those two me artists say my show me name in this, right? People, watch the rest of the clip.
Once your face is on
it. I understand the situation still. I don't know really. I see much that man, my daughter have life.
Once your daughter have life,
that this shot me right now. That I leak, so no really. God is good. Lucifer is better.
What the fuck?
People, I have to play that part again.
That this shot me right now. That I leak, so no really. God is good. Lucifer is better.
What the fuck?
I have to play that part because, again, as I said, Tommy Lee gets even more nonchalant. hey, these are not my words. If me did come on YouTube and say Tommy Lee, me here say Tommy Lee, I say that at the least and him understand what go on and I saw them things I go. I'm not made that this track him at the least and then him this say God is good and Lucifer is better. When would have burn up my channel, would have burn up my comment section, I type one bag of essay, I say me I make up things to get views with Simple Simon. I'm glad to hear it for itself. Tommy Lee sounds very understanding of the situation. Tommy Lee can understand why somebody can go up on the apps and end up getting a situation where Pitney get wet up. I want to listen between the lines. You know. Tommy Lee is saying he understands. He gets it. That sometimes you go up on the apps and Pitney get wet up. He gets it. You know what kind of person would get that? People who know them lifestyle. See, the average law-abiding citizen don't get that. The law-abiding man and woman in Jamaica doesn't get that. The law-abiding parent in Jamaica would still be losing sleep over the fact that them pick up her own. Not Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee is saying, listen, I saw them thing I go. This is how this thing work. I at least give him credit. I give Tommy Lee credit for not pretending like him don't know about the lifestyle. Because if he did come on and act like him don't know, like, how could this have happened? He's saying he gets it. This is the lifestyle. Sometimes you go up on the apps and Pitney get caught in the middle. Tommy Lee's being honest. I can't even not. He's being true to himself. But you see, the Simple Simone who is interviewing him, she's trying to give him the victim card. She's trying to give Tommy Lee the way for sure. So, oh, yeah, man, and, just cause you're art, Tommy Lee hits her out of nowhere. Tommy Lee says, listen, we're not stressed about that. God is good. And when he says that, she gets excited because she's like, yeah, Tommy Lee showing positivity. And then people, the man box her, don't out of nowhere with the line, God is good, but Lucifer is better. If me did tell you, say Tommy Lee said that, when you would jump in my comment section and tell me all kind of things, I'm glad to hear it from the arse's mouth. Write that one down and remember it. Tommy Lee say, God is good, Lucifer is better. I could play the rest of the clip now. Oh, and before me play the rest of the clip, you notice how when the line catch her off guard and she realized that Tommy Lee really say, and she's like, what the? And then she can't, because people, this is what happened to the Jamaican, a lot of Jamaicans, especially kerosene oils or quasi kerosene oils or potential kerosene oils. When them spend all day, all night being apologists for people who live certain lifestyle, when time the same person do something that is so stunning to them and they catch them off guard, they're like, what the? But this is not what I want to believe. And then they go through the shock phase, but then them still find a way to turn it back around and believe, say, no man, I don't really mean it. Watch the rest of this clip, people.
Brother, what the fuck that? I'm not even gonna question.
Yeah, run like a joke. I want to talk about.
You know it's that joke, but me I wonder how the shit that dropped you know. I never question.
People, Tommy Lee is a real Moby man. Real flanker man. If you never sit down and hear or Moby 87s talk to woman and talk to them kerosene oils, Tommy Lee has mastered it. Tommy Lee realized that Simple Simone head light like a piece of paper, right? He skillfully pulls it back on her and say, I can't run like a joke, and I feel like a style. Simple Simone, being as simple as she is, then comes back out and says, me know a joke, but, and she starts stammer. She starts stammer like all of a sudden her tongue tie up. What she means she know a joke? She doesn't know a joke. It's because what I said, people like her, right, when person who they try to be an apologist for, show them true color, instead of accepting that maybe all them things I'm like about Tommy Lee is real. Maybe when Tommy Lee walk up and down and tell people say my demon and I tell people say Spartan man do this and him do this, maybe he's being serious. Instead of accepting that, she rather accept say a joke he might make, and she tries to tell herself that she believes a joke he might make. But she realized who Tommy Lee was in that moment. In that moment, in that clip, she realized who the Sparta youth really is. That is why our tongue tie up and start about me. You know what? I won't even. She realized Tommy Lee is not joking. People no run them kind of joke there. Which joke you know run, sir? Who you know run joke with them words there? Tommy Lee is not joking. Mobile people know, flanker people know who Tommy Lee is. Right? And this girl was trying to help Tommy Lee, right, come across to the public as a grieving father who is going through a lot and all this. Tommy Lee came around and showed and said, listen, father I know, father so it go. Understand how the streets work. And then he goes on to declare where him feel what God and him Lucifer. Right now I'm sure his fans will still want to come over here, come tell me say, my bad mind Tommy Lee. I'm gonna fight against Tommy Lee, I'm gonna fight against dancehall, I'm sure. Even though the man does show his true colours. But I'm sure you're gonna tell me say a joke him and make and you're gonna get vexed. This girl she have a following to die. I'm sure if you're a fan I'm gonna come costume. But hey, all I'm doing is reacting to what I'm seeing. I didn't make up a single thing here. I'm reacting to words that came out of their mouth. But just want Jamaica to see. What type of people, right, shelter and make excuse and be apologies for certain individuals in Jamaica. I'm telling you this right now. The conversation you're just hearing right now is a conversation you would hear all up and down Mobile, Norwood, Salt Spring, Cambridge. This conversation sounds like a typical 87 and a kerosene conversing, right? The kerosene is fascinated by the 87. She doesn't want to accept who the 87 is, and every time she try give the 87 a chance to talk him way out of it, 87 continues to slip up and show him true colors. I know this video is going to get people emotional, but as I say, all I did was play clips and respond to them. I didn't make up anything whatsoever right here, so Tommy Lee say him understand, him not let himself bored that, and so them thing they go. Even though I don't believe him about that part, flankers people know say something probably will come out of this. But hey, we have to work with him say. But Tommy Lee fans, you're welcome to jump in the comment section and pour out your heart, right? Also, this young lady here, Simple Simone or Die, whatever she name, I'm look forward to hear what you guys have to say. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.